Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate WooCommerce with Google Shopping. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the platform from where you're using WooCommerce. In my case, it's WordPress, so I'm going to go to the official website of WordPress.com, and from here I can go ahead and access my store. If you have not already set up your WooCommerce store, here at the left side of the screen, if you need the step by step, you're going to go into the plugins, and in the plugin section, you're going to search for WooCommerce. From here, you can find the extension and then set it up and start going and managing your store, and that is how it's done. So once you've set up your store, we can get started connecting it to Google Shop. And to do so, we're going to go to the official website of WooCommerce. Go to WooCommerce.com, and from here you're going to go ahead and open up the extensions marketplace. After opening up the extensions marketplace, it's going to look like this, and one of the first results you can see is Google for WooCommerce. This is what you want to open up. By opening up Google for WooCommerce, this is going to enable you to promote your products across Google, and this is going to enable you to go ahead and connect with Google Shop. So basically what you're going to do is click the add to store option right here in the upper right corner. Once you add it to your store, you can now get started with accessing this plugin. Go ahead and integrate it into your store directly by following the steps, entering all your info, and once you integrate these two plugins, you can go ahead and manage your store directly from WordPress, and you're going to go ahead and be able to use it for Google Shop, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.